Hi everybody, this is Ms. Hart and I'm going to help you do some quality research using the features of JSTOR. The first thing we need to do after logging into the computer is open up a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, you're going to need to go to JSTOR's website. In order to do so, I need you to type in JSTOR.org in your web browser and click enter. As long as you're on a school computer, it will automatically log you into the site. If you want to do some research at home, your username will be WashingtonHS, all lowercase, no spaces, and your password is research, again, all lowercase. When we're using JSTOR, it's important to note that you don't search JSTOR the way you would with Google. In Google, you'd probably type in a question like, what was the social impact of the telegraph? This is not how we're going to search using JSTOR. When I use JSTOR, I prefer to use the advanced search option. When you're clicking on the advanced search option, you can click here in the middle of your screen or at the top. Go ahead and click. Once you've clicked on the advanced search option, your home screen should look like this monitor. You'll see that you have two search fields, which will come in handy when you're searching for the specifics on your topic. If you're sticking with the same question as before, I would type in telegraph in the top search field, and I would type in social impacts in the second. When we're putting in social impacts, because it's two words, I'm going to use quotations. These quotations tell JSTOR when searching that the words social and impacts have to come together. If I exclude the quotation marks, that means that the word social could be anywhere in the document as well as impacts anywhere in the document. So it may have nothing to do with each other. In between these two fields, we have what we call the Boolean phrase. You can change your Boolean phrase by clicking the down arrow. Your Boolean phrase options are and, or, not, near 5, near 10, and near 25. I like to stick with and, or, and not. What this does is it tells JSTOR when searching that not only does your results need to have telegraph, it also needs to have social impacts. So that's what we included and. If we were looking for information about the telegraph, but we didn't want information about social impacts, then we would change it to not. So we want telegraph, but not social impacts. So we're going to change it back to and because we want both. You also have the option to narrow it down even further by adding an additional search box with another Boolean phrase. Remember, the more specific your searches are, the less results you'll get back and the less results you'll have to sift through to find the actual information that you're looking for. Once you get your search specified to what you're looking for, you can scroll down to further narrow your results. You can narrow your results by what kind of information you get back, whether it be articles, books, and research reports. You can also change your preferred language depending on what you're fluent in, and the rest of the page lets you narrow it down even further if you so choose. So let's go back up to the top of the page and get your specific search that you want and click Search. You should get several results back that will help you on your research quest. Depending on the results you get back, you may need to go back to the advanced search and narrow your options down further or reword some of your search boxes. If you find a resource that you want to explore to see if it's useful, you can either click Download PDF on the right or click the title of the document so that your page changes and the document appears. Once the document appears, you can scroll down and you can flip through several pages of the document to see if that's what you're looking for. If you wish to save the document so that you don't lose it for further reference, you can click Download PDF and save it to your home drive to ensure that you have the exact same resource later on when you're going to use it for your paper. My favorite thing about JSTOR is that it cites the resources for you. This can be extremely difficult, but luckily all you have to do is click Cite this item and copy and paste the citation into your paper. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, please let me or Mr. Cork know. Good luck researching.